All right, so this is why you always want to pop in and check on your rehab. So the plumber said that everything's done and they're ready to get paid on this one. When we come through here, I knock this out to check and make sure that everything's good. And as you can see here, it's not. These are loose. So you want to make sure that they're always clamped in because this is just not going to work. You want to also too make sure that they're using PEX when they're going back and redoing the plumbing because that expands and it'll help it when it freezes out. And since this is an exterior wall, you want to make sure that they insulate this as well. That way you don't have to worry about when the temperatures drop to freezing that this is going to burst on you.